Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable adaptive sound on your Samsung The Frame TV. First of all, from either Art menu or Home menu, go to the sidebar by pressing the left arrow button on your keyboard on your remote control. Then open Settings menu and open All Settings, select Sound and go to Sound mode. Change the sound mode to Adaptive Sound. Now additionally, I also recommend going to Expert Settings and try disabling or enabling auto volume feature, which equalizes sound automatically so that the volume level remains the same when you change between channels or video sources. So try to turn it on, check what it sounds like, then turn it off and check it again and see what matches your taste. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.